Are you tired of feeling mentally drained and unproductive? Many people struggle with brain fog, lack of focus, and low energy. It can be frustrating when you can't perform at your best, whether at work or in daily tasks. You might find yourself reaching for coffee or energy drinks, but these quick fixes often lead to crashes and don't address the root of the issue. DIY solutions like herbal teas or energy-boosting snacks can seem appealing, but they rarely provide the sustained mental clarity you need. Plus, with so many options out there, it's hard to know what really works. That's where Synaptigen comes in. Synaptigen is a unique supplement designed to support cognitive function and boost mental energy. Unlike typical options, it combines powerful nootropics and essential nutrients to enhance brain health. This means you're not just masking symptoms, you are supporting your mind from the inside.